In Florida, as you know, the number of electric vehicles is growing. Right now, we have about 100,000 electric vehicles in the state of Florida. We are expecting to see a large increase in that number, but there are practical problems which limit the adoption of electric vehicles, and we are trying to address that problem. One of the most important problem is range anxiety. That means that these vehicles need to be charged after you drive them for probably 200 to 300 miles.
If you're going across the country or you're going several hundred miles for a visit to grandma's, you don't want to have to stop midway and wait a couple hours while your vehicle charges enough you can continue the trip.
We are trying to improve the mobility for these vehicles so that you do not have to charge too often. The specific technology is trying to take advantage of a network of drones which can help charging these vehicles on the go, which means when it's moving, you can charge these vehicles so that effectively you can increase the mobility of these vehicles significantly.
And it also has a way of replacing batteries in an electric vehicle. So instead of taking the 2 hours to fully charge or even enough of a charge to continue on the trip, you can take out the batteries that are there, replace them with fresh batteries, continue on your trip. And so the delay should be comparable with, say, a large SUV filling it up with gas.
This particular technology, as much as it driven by the goal of increasing mobility, a significant emphasis has been given to improve the greenhouse gas emission.
The particular nature of the technology, this, as I say, it's a cutting-edge technology. This is a technology that is one of those technologies that are going to make a difference.
I'm definitely fortunate and humbled to receive that award. This definitely is going to provide me more impetus to do research and to do innovation so that we can take the innovation and solve practical problems in different fields. So this is definitely going to give myself and my students, my collaborators, significant impetus and motivation to do more and create more innovative technologies for solving these global problems which I am looking at.
Well, congratulations to Dr. Bhunia and his team. It's really a pleasure to work with him and his team, especially an inventor that has a sharp eye for the needs of cutting technologies.
For this award, I would like to thank the UF Innovation Office, in particular Rick and Autumn, which I closely work on. And finally, I would like to thank all of my students, in particular 2 of the graduate students and 1 undergraduate students who have contributed to this particular innovation, Prabuddha Chakraborty and Reiner Dizon. These are the 2 graduate students who have worked with me in this project, as well as Robert Parker and undergraduate students who has contributed to this project. I would like to thank and acknowledge their contribution.